To retrieve or reset your Bitbucket password, follow these steps. Access Bitbucket login page. Go to Bitbucket. Visit Bitbucket and click on Login at the top right corner. Initiate password reset. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Your Password link. This will direct you to the password reset page. Enter your email. Provide email address. Enter the email address associated with your Bitbucket account. Ensure it's the correct email you used to sign up or that's linked to your Bitbucket account. Check your email. Receive reset instructions. Bitbucket will send a password reset email to the provided address. Open this email and follow the instructions included. This usually involves clicking a reset link. Set a new password. Create a new password. After clicking the reset link, you'll be redirected to a page where you can enter and confirm a new password. Choose a strong, secure password. Log in with new password. Access your account. Return to the Bitbucket login page and log in using your newly set password.